Hi everyone, my name is Anna Morvin. Welcome on my channel. Today I would like to show you how to make lint increases using yarn over. This video is up more to continental knitters. I will show you how to make it on flat and working in the round. As you can see, these increases make no holes and look pretty neat. And if this is a stockinette fabric, so it doesn't roll, and from the wrong side it forms such pretty braids. Let's begin from the flat. First we need to make a lint increase to the right side. For this we make yarn over from behind and knit further. It will be combined in one row. First we need to make to the right, we need to lean it, and then we need to lean it to the left. So to lean it to the left, we need to make yarn over from the front. And on the wrong side, we need to make the stitch twisted to avoid the hole. So it was the yarn, it was the lean to the left. And we need to make it in the wrong side to knit it. Actually, yes, we will not knit it, we will purl it. We need to purl it on the back, on the front loop. On the front, to avoid the hole, you see? If we will make it like this, it will be a big hole. We don't need this. We need to make it tight, very tight. So, in the wrong side, left increase is knitted or made on the front loop. And coming closer to our right, lint increase. Here it is. And once again we need to make it twisted to avoid the hole. So we will purl it on the back loop. Here we are. Let's do it once again. To the right, we need to make yarn over from the back. Don't worry, in the end I will show you a table for all the types of increases. And to the left, we need to make yarn over from the front. And on the wrong side, left lint yarn increase we make on front loop. And on the wrong side, the right lint increase we make on the back loop. And here is our holeless increases. Okay, and now let's make our linen increases in the round. It will be different from flat. So to lean it to the right, we need to make a yarn over from the front. And to lean it to the left, we need to make yarn over from the back. Once more, to the right from the front. and to the left from behind. And on the next round, how we make it. To lean it to the right, we need to knit it on the front loop. And once again, we are twisting our loops. If it's hard to remember how and what, you can just remember that thing that to lean to the right is always in the round on the front loop and to the left on the back loop. And if accidentally you made the wrong yarn over, yeah, like this, you can just change it anytime. So to lean it to the left, we are making it on the back loop. And once more to the right on the front loop. And to the left on the back loop. Let's see what we've got. Yeah, and here is what we've got. Looks pretty cool, I think. Now you can see on your screens a little table that I wrote. It gives you a clue how to make yarn overs and how to make loops on the next round. Thank you for watching me, guys. I have you a great day. Goodbye.